see you there. Hi, I'm Anthony. Alright, this is the distributive property. So, A distributes to B and C. So basically what this means is if you have A, you can distribute it to B plus C, and it would equal A. So another way to put that is A times B plus A times C would be equal to A parentheses B plus C, and that is the distributive property.
The commutative property. For multiplication and addition, the order of two numbers does not matter. So like in addition, you do 7 plus 9, it's also, you could just go 9 plus 7, doesn't matter which way. And it's the same for multiplication. 5 times 6 and 6 times 5, it does not matter. So yeah.
And we're back. Okay, I'm Anthony, and this is the associative property. So for addition, alright, first of all, the definition is if all symbols are the same, parentheses are useless in both of these problems. So you have A plus parentheses B plus C. This is useless because if you take off these, you're still going to get the same answer. So let's say it's 7 plus 6 plus 5. If you do this first and get 11 plus 7, you have 18. But if you go 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 5 is also 18. And the same goes for multiplication. A times parentheses B times C. So if you have 5 times parentheses 3 times 2. First you would do 3 times 2, which gives you 6, times 5 is 30. So your answer is 30 with parentheses. If you take off the parentheses, you have 5 times 3, which is 15, times 2, which is 30. So this is the associative property.
So I have the substitution property, and this property is the order of operation, and the order is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. A good way to remember it though is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
So I'm Anthony, and this is the inverse property. So the first part of the inverse property is the zero part. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So for example, 0 times 9, 9, 9, comma, 9, 9, 9 equals 0. Okay, so that's the zero property. Any number times 0 is 0. The addition property, the inverse property of addition, is the opposite number of itself added together is 0. So basically, if you have the number 5, the opposite of 5 would be negative 5. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0, because negative 5 plus 5 is 0. And the inverse property of multiplication is a number times its reciprocal is 1. So first of all, a reciprocal would be this is equal to 10, so reciprocal would be 1/10. So the inverse property of multiplication would be 1/16 times 16 equals 1. And that is the inverse property.
What's up guys, Alia here, back with another identity property, and this is what it is. Multiplication, any number times 1 is itself. Any number, in addition, any number plus 0 is itself. Examples, 7 times 1 equals 7, and this number, I don't know what that is, don't ask what that is. Now let's make it 8. Plus 0 is whatever this number. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell.
And leave a like.